Let's change the background of the image in Photoshop without AI. Yes, you heard it right. Because what if you don't have the Photoshop version 25.0 or above to access the generative fill? With our model and background image already imported and placed, let's make a selection of our model. For that, press L for the lasso tool and make sure the model layer is activated. Click on the select and mask on the top and then click on the select subject, and after that go to global refinement and get the shift edge slider all the way down, smooth slider around 5 to 10, and contrast around 7 to 10, with output to selection option selected. And after checking the selection for any mistakes, press OK. Press on the layer mask to hide the unselected parts. Then, while pressing Alt option, drag the background layer above the model layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Average, and it will fill the image with average color found from the image. Clip it to the model layer, change its blend mode to soft light, and reduce its opacity around 50 to 70 depending on your model image brightness. Then add a solid color adjustment layer and select any color for start. Turn off its visibility for now and double click to open the color picker. Select a color from the background. I am choosing the color of this flower here. Now turn on the visibility. Change its blend mode also to soft light and opacity around 40 to 50 as per the image. At last, to make sure the focus is on our model, add Gaussian blur filter to the background with around 1 to 1.5 radius. And that's it. A subtle and simple blend to change the background. If we work on a full standing image on a different background, then many aspects we should have taken care of, like perspective, lighting, angle, etc., which we will see in a longer video in the future. But for now, a simple portrait background change for you. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which effect should we create next. Also, follow me on my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.